Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some project shares from Kokorosa, and also down in the description box I'll have links to both the items that I'm going to be sharing and also a coupon code for 20% off if you'd like. So first I have this die set right here called Morning Glory, and it has several flower dies as well as layering, and then it has this leaf vine border. It's really pretty. So it comes with all of those dies. And let me show you what I made. So I came up with this card right here. I stamped I Adore You, and I used some distress oxide paper, and I tried to look up what Morning Glories looked like, and I got as close as I could to the colors. And then I did a lot of layering of paper, and then I used that vine to set the flowers off of. And then I used a double stitched paper to put it on. And then I spritzed it with some glitter dust. And I think it turned out really pretty. And then on the inside, I just added some paper and then another one of those flowers right there. And I think it turned out really pretty. So that was my first project I made. The second one I did, I used this die right here. It's called the Hollow Fish Background Board, and it is really cute. And so let me show you what I made using this one. So I made a slim line, and I used a mermaid, and here is the die that I used, and I cut it out, and I used some distress oxides and this pretty glitter paper in the background, and then I colored up some images, and I just made it a nautical theme slimline die. And then I heat embossed the sentiment Hugs and Fishes, and I thought that turned out to be so cute. And then I put that on the inside like that, but I thought it turned out really sweet. So that's how I made that one. So those were the two that I have to share today. I hope you enjoyed them. And again, I'll have the links down in the description box for both of the ones that I shared. And then I'll also link a 20% discount code. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. Goodbye.